covered in pollen. And between the pollen and that rotted out bat towel, I didn't do a very good job getting it wiped down. There's streaks and stuff all over it. I get home, I'll give it the loving it needs with a microfiber and some good quality cleaner. Man, Rick is moving. I feel like I'm in a Honda commercial, man. This is what this is what it's all about. Rocky Mount overlook. I bet that's pretty. Look at this rock formation. I mean, that was pushed all the way up here by a glacier. Or maybe it was just carved out. I don't know. We had to pay like 20 bucks to get on this road. I guess that pays for its maintenance. Another nice overlook. Do. Look at this. It says 30 miles an hour. We're doing 46. Come on, Rick. We met up at 7:30 this morning, which means I had to get up and go at 6. And man, I didn't get a wink of sleep last night. I was so keyed up about this ride. I just tossed and turned. Hello, buddy. But I feel pretty good. Although tonight, pretty sure I'm going to crash, and hard. Smitty's got a meme or whatever you want to call it, a sign on his Instagram that says anything that ends in the word gap is a ride worth taking. And boy, there's a lot of gaps up here, and I'll tell you, it is a ride worth taking. Ah, shit. The GoPro just fell out. Thank God he's pulling over. My GoPro just fell off. Son of a bitch. Huh?
Good thing I stopped.
Yes.
Gonna pack it up?
Damn.